Today we're not building anything, we're not fixing anything, we're not doing anything except going fishing, and I'm taking you with me. This is the time of year I get really excited about. The fish are on their beds, they're biting well, and fishing should be very happening, and I'm looking so forward to it. I've got some buddies coming up to meet me a little bit later today, and we are going to spend an entire weekend fishing. I'm going to show you some of the beautiful fish that live in this lake. We're in northern Michigan on a lake called Bass Lake. It's a 60-acre lake, and it is a fishing lake. Hi everybody, I'm Jim Dierdorf, and this is Detroit DIY on vacation. Let's get going. Alright guys, first cast. Fish on. Oh, it's a nice one too. Yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. We got us a nice largemouth bass. Sweet deal. Look at that. Sweet. Let's get him back. All right. Cast number 2. I'm fishing with a ugly stick, one of my favorite poles of all time, and I'm just using a night crawler and a small hook. Fish on. Oh. I lost him. What I'm doing is just dragging the worm across the bottom. Have a small weight on there to help it sink. It's a little bit weedy, so it tricks you. Fish on. Oh yeah. Now guys, this is a beautiful fish. This is a pumpkin seed. Hopefully my camera will cooperate and we can get a good look at this thing. Man, oh man, look at that. These fish are beautiful and they get a whole lot bigger than this. Let's get this one back. Cast number 3. Well, going for fish number 3. Lost my worm. The wind has been fighting me pretty bad, so I'm having trouble keeping my anchor set. I'm doing just about as much fighting with the anchor as I am fishing. First cast, fish on. It's a nice one. Feels like a nice bass. Oh no, it is a bluegill, and it is a nice one. Look at that. We're going to get a closer look at this right here in a second. These bluegill are some amazing fighters. Oh, look at the beauty of that fish. They're bigger in this lake, but that is a good looking fish. Let me get him back and go for another one. really like to hook into a rock bass. I could show you 4 different species. I'm getting a bite right now. It did not eat. Nothing better than fishing. I don't know anything more relaxing than throwing a fishing line in the water and spending your day. Got one on. Not fighting very much. Oh, it's a strong one. Here we go. It's not liking it now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we got us a nice little largemouth. Barely hooked. Come here, buddy. Got some beautiful green color to him. What a nice fish. Let's get him back. Alright guys, we've been able to catch 4 nice fish. I'm gonna head back in. My buddy's here. I'm gonna pick him up and we're gonna get some more fishing in, and I'm gonna have a wonderful weekend doing just this. I'm glad I could bring you along for a little bit. If you enjoyed yourself, click one of those 2 videos. They're gonna pop up next to me. And we'll see you soon. Next time we're going to build something.